नमस्कार viewers of Rashtra Pratigya. I am Dr. J.K. Sharma, a Reiki Grandmaster. Welcomes you to this episode of Practices in Hinduism Part 3. Friends, the Pitri Paksha is going on and it's a very important auspicious occasion for the Hindu community, and therefore I thought it fit to share my feelings and some informations about Pitri Paksha to you all. Hindus observe Pitri Paksha to honor their ancestors and seek their blessings. Some reasons for observing Pitri Paksha includes honoring ancestors. Pitri Paksha is a time to show gratitude and respect to ancestors. Hindu believe that ancestors descend to earth during this time. Friends, to seek the ancestors' blessings, devotees offer prayers, food, and other offerings to ancestors in the hope of receiving blessings and ensuring they find rest in the afterlife. Friends, to attain peace and salvation, the rituals performed during Pitri Paksha are considered to be of help for ancestors attain peace and salvations, freeing them from the cycle of rebirth. Friends, alleviating Pitridosha. Sometimes we find in family there is something wrong, and the astrologers say it is because of the Pitridosha. So, the Pitridosha is a perceived curse from deceased ancestors that are said to disrupt one's life and goals. People perform rituals and offer food to crows to alleviate or eliminate Pitridosha. Friends, it is customary to feed cows, dogs, and crows during Pitri Paksha. Crows are believed to be messengers of the ancestors. Then we also invite Brahmins during Pitri Paksha, and it is a tradition to invite Brahmins, in fact, into one's home to offer them sattvic food, the pure vegetarian food. Even the onions and garlics are not allowed, and also clothings to Brahmins or who perform pujas. Friends, the Pitri Paksha holds deep religious significance for Hindus, as it is a time dedicated to remember, to honor, and to appease one's ancestors. Hindus believe that during these 15 days, their forefathers descend to earth and rituals such as Pitri Tarpan and Pinddan are performed. The historical significance of the Pitri Paksha Pinddan finds its origins in ancient Hindu scriptures, particularly the Garuda Purana, or called this as Garud Puran. According to Hindu mythology, the rituals was first performed by Maryada Purushottam Lord Rama to honor and to remember his father King Dasarath or King Dasaratha, you can call it. The tradition gradually gained prominence and became an integral part of the Hindu funeral rites. Now let's see what is scientific reason behind Pindatan. Now based on Hindu scriptures, these pinds possesses essential energies that maintain the soul in the afterlife. From a scientific standpoint, Pindadan represents the transmission of positive energy through the act of generosity and thankfulness. Friends, during Pitri Paksha period, the people even donate grains, clothes to the needy and offer them foods, etc. Now, as you might be knowing, Gaya is a place in Bihar. So, Gaya is believed to be the sacred place for Hindus where Lord Rama performed the Pindadan for his father King Dasaratha at the bank of river Punpun. Pilgrims towards pilgrims flock to Ganga to fulfill their duties towards their ancestors, believing that these rituals can provide solace to their departed loved ones and ensure their spiritual journey to be peaceful. Friends, it is believed that once you perform Pindadan at the bank of river Punpun in Gaya, then you need not to perform the Pitri Paksha Puja every year. There are some other places also believed to be the place for Pindadan, such as in Rajasthan there is a place called uh, this where Brahma temple is situated in Rajasthan, and there also the peoples goes and perform the Pindadan. And lastly, just for the sake of your information, I will say during the Pindadan or Tarpan, you can chant the mantras as Om Pitrubhyo Namaha, Om Pitrubhyo Namaha, Om Pitri Ganaya Vignahe Jagadharani Dhimahi Tanno Pitro Prachodayat, Om Tatpurushaya Vignahe Mahadevaye Cha Dhimahi Tanno Rudra Prachodayat. Friends, we may chant these mantras during Pitri Paksha every day while we are performing tarpan to our ancestors. And with this brief episode, we conclude here with a request that these traditions of performing puja during Pitri Paksha, wonderful thing in fact for Sanatan Dharma or Hindu community. And this tradition must percolate to our next generation, to our young generation who will take this to next generation for the benefit of the mankind, for the benefit of this entire humanity on this earth. With this, I again appeal to you kindly to subscribe this channel of Rashtra Pratigya, comment on the episode which will provide a valuable guidance to me, and also it will energize me for future planning, for future episodes. Also, kindly like it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, viewers. God bless you all. And during Pitri Paksha, those who are entitled to do Pitri Paksha, they can, they must perform. That should not miss actually. It's a wonderful tradition we have and religious rights we have got in Hindu tradition. So please, thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you, your family. God bless you with more energy, more prosperity. And with this, I conclude this episode. Thank you very much and goodbye.